Here I have INFINIX Hot 40 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Portable Hotspot on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Hotspot. So just by tapping on it you can switch your hotspot. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. More settings. You can also switch it here. You can change its name, password, security protocol, AP band. You can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. You can manage connected devices, like you can add devices to block list. You can set up one-time data limit. You can set up maximum number of connected devices. You can set hotspot to turn off automatically. You can use it for USB tethering, for Bluetooth tethering. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.